Hello, thank you very much for reaching out my profile. My name is Jorge Turate. I'm an AI and computer vision engineer based in France. I have a master's degree in computer vision and artificial intelligence at Université Paris-Saclay. I specialize in building systems that analyze images and videos using deep learning, things like object detection, semantic segmentation, object tracking, and visual analysis pipelines. I enjoy tuning complex AI models into practical solutions that actually work in real-world scenarios. And now, I will show you a little bit about the project that I have worked on during these years. Okay, so here I built a real-time tennis ball tracking system, which basically consisted in YOLO detections and Kalman filters for improving the tracking stability. So by doing this, I achieve an accurate tracking even with fast motion, which is very helpful for sport analytics and for automation. So this is what I did. The other project that I worked was the real-time hand gesture recognition for an interactive video conferencing. I created a web video conferencing application that recognized the movement of my hands, and I achieved this by training a CNN, a convolutional neural network, that took two inputs. In this case, one input was the optical flow keyframes that basically had information of the temporal features, and the other was just the main keyframes of the video. So instead of working with the whole video, I just used some frames of the video, and this allowed me to achieve a good predictions of the movement of my hands, even though this was a real-time video conferencing application. And I also use I serve these two endpoints by using first Node.js for the front end and Flash for connecting the train model that I used, in this case the model that I say that I train, with the front end. And I deployed this whole solution using Google Cloud Platform. So as you can see, then I achieve good hand movement predictions within the real-time application. I also work on this generative adversarial network for data augmentation. So the idea here was to improve the accuracy of a classifier by using synthetic images. In this case, these synthetic images were generated using this technique, the GANs. So I trained two networks, in this case the discriminator and the generator. I trained both networks together in order to generate these fake images that you can see here. Then I add these images to the original images that I had in the dataset. And when I train this classifier with these two sets together, I improve the accuracy of the whole model. So this is very helpful if we have a dataset with small with small samples. Also, I work in this project, which is a 3D reconstruction using structure from motion and nerve. So basically, here I was able to reconstruct some objects that I had in my house by just using these two techniques. The structure from motion basically creates a set cloud of points that represent the 3D object, and the neural radiance field, the nerve, generates novel views by using just a small video or some photos of some position of an object. So it will be able to render new views that wasn't provided in the original video. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. If you are working on an AI or computer vision project, feel free to reach out, and I'll be happy to help. And see you in our next project.